On today's episode, we get to experience some Outback fringe art. I get to realise a lifelong dream. We get to stay at a breathtaking location. And Lisa tortures our ears. So sit back, relax and enjoy our latest adventure. As we head west on Oodnadatta track, about 30 kilometres from Marree, we come across what they call the Outback Gallery. Its actual name is the Mutonia Art Gallery. As you approach the gallery, it's impossible to miss Planehenge. On a day like today, with the shimmering silver from the plains and the incredibly blue sky, it just draws you in and makes you want to stop and explore the park. So a lot of these sculptures are designed to be interactive. For example, the xylophone. It is intended for you to play, as they say, making bush music. And of course, Lisa couldn't help herself.
Never had one lesson.
If you're out there, make sure you give it a go. I'm sure you can't do a worse job than Lisa. Sadly, some of these sculptures are starting to see the results of weather and time. For example, the big dog doesn't look so much like the big dog anymore, as lots of parts are starting to fall away. There's also multiple other sculptures that I haven't included here that effectively are being reclaimed by the earth. While trying to find the names of all these sculptures for this video, I found it interesting this one's called the Home Movie Maker. I wonder if it was done today, if it would be called the Content Creator. The artist Robin Cook originally came out in 1997 to attend a uranium mine protest. This was his first sculpture he created in 2000. There's a significant number of artworks that are very obviously politically driven and help give us an insight into the artist's mind. We end up spending significantly more time here than we expected, and I'm still stunned to this moment how many people just continue driving, not even slowing down to enjoy the sculptures. If you're over this way, please make sure you stop in, it is definitely worth the time. I was so excited to get to Lake Eyre. I've been dreaming of coming to this location, well, most of my life. And now to be finally here, I was in awe. One downside is, if we'd been here maybe a few months later, we would have had the chance of actually seeing water in it, which would have been phenomenal. Lake Eyre, it covers 9,500 square kilometres, and obviously that makes it Australia's largest lake. I hope you enjoy this footage as much as I enjoyed being there. Our stop for tonight is Coward Springs. It's a lovely little paid camp set in an old date farm. It was a stunning location and an absolute credit to the owners. They really show their passion for this place. All the buildings, including the toilets and showers, not only do they look amazing and rustic, they're extremely clean and very, very well cared for. As soon as we got set up, we headed off and explored the area. The grounds are amazing, they're beautifully cared for, and they've even got this incredible museum that's definitely worth a look. Lisa and I went exploring on one of the walks, took us through this beautiful little, I'd want to say almost a wetland, which is incredible to think of out here. While it seemed this wind has continued to follow us on the trip, it still didn't take away from the amazing experience and the incredible light that we'll get in the afternoon. I hope you enjoy this footage and it inspires you to get out there. Hey everyone, here we are at Coward Springs, and it's just me at this moment. Lisa's off having a shower after 2 days of no showers. The hot shower it's not super hot, but it's hot enough to make it worthwhile. This place is incredible. It's a paid camp. It's privately owned. They've done an incredible job with the history. They've got a little museum as well, and they've got a couple of restored buildings. Absolutely gorgeous, and a real credit to them. They've also very strict, because particularly very strict about the wildlife, etc. So no drone footage, strict no drone policy here, and that's because of all the wildlife, etc. There's a hot springs here as well. It's more lukewarm than hot, but the whole facility is brilliant. It's very well kept, and yeah, real credit to the owners. As you can see, we've got a beautiful sunset. Hopefully that shows up okay. And I'm on the phone because we have captured so much today that everything is flat. And when we got here, we only had about an hour with the generator before it had to be turned off. So unfortunately, everything is still charging because it's off the USB basically. So it takes a lot longer to charge. So hopefully this footage is okay. Had a great day. Hope you're all well, and we'll catch you very soon. Bye.